Hello everyone, in this video I will let you know how to connect ADB devices in your Linux operating system and how do you test and debug your Android application in Linux machine. So for that we are using ADB, and for installing ADB you just have to type the command sudo apt install ADB in your terminal. So it will install all ADB packages in your computer, and for showing all the emulators or devices connected to your computer you just have to type ADB devices command. So it will list out all the devices attached to your computer. So as you can see, I have mentioned the screenshot ADB devices in my terminal, but it not listing any devices attached current. So just open your phone setting and go to your MIUI version if your phone is of Xiaomi. Otherwise you can go to your about phone and just tap 2-3 times on Android version until you got alert about you are now a developer, and then go to your developer option into your additional setting. Then just turn on the USB debugging on your phone. It will allow to debug uh, Android application over the USB cable. So after getting the permission of USB debugging, just type ADB devices. So it will list out the devices which are connected to your computer, but there is no permissions in these devices. So for granting permission we just use revoke the USB debugging and plug out your USB from your computer. As I mentioned the screenshot, revoke, just tap on revoke USB debugging authorizations. So it will give you a pop-up alert like this screenshot I have mentioned, allow USB debugging. So for that you just have to plug out and plug in USB. So it will list out it will give you a pop-up screen. Then you just have to click on OK button. Then you can use ADB devices command. So it will list out the all the devices which are connected to your computer.